Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. Today we're going to be going through an XRP update. We're going to be looking at this from a fundamental perspective, and then we're going to be going into a technical analysis perspective, looking at the chart, looking at some interesting price predictions for this asset over the next 6 to 12 months, and also some breaking news for XRP as well. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Drop a little like if you could. And you can see the XRP market cap is currently sat at around $31.9 billion. That is 7th in the cryptocurrency race right now on CMC. If we just go to the home page, and you can see we are number 7th just here. Okay, so on the 7-day we are down currently 4.38%. 24 hours we're actually up 3.6%, which is bullish. Currently priced at around 56 cents. So let's go into some news articles today, and let's discuss some key factors as to why I'm actually a bit bullish here on XRP. Okay, so the first news article that we're looking at today is from Crypto Newsland. XRP breakout. Analysts are eyeing up 60 cents target as a key resistance point. Okay, which is super interesting because you can see obviously we've got a lovely downtrend coming through from here. Usually when we do see a downtrend in a sort of a parallel stance, there is a breakup from that, breaking through that resistance, as this article just says there. Okay, the next thing I want to look at here, guys, is Ripple's latest white paper pushes XRP gains and small bank growth. This is super interesting because we know Ripple and XRP has primarily been focusing on the big banks of the world, and that's why a lot of retailers super bullish on this, because they know how much XRP that the banks need to own to support international transactions, right? So this is if all the banks are doing this, then obviously XRP is going to have a massive market cap. I'm talking billions and billions of dollars, right? Hundreds of billions, way more than it is currently at now. Okay, and this is super interesting because Ripple released a new white paper titled "How Local Banks Can Win the Race to Support Small Business Payments." So that basically is sort of a sign here that they're also transitioning and including smaller businesses and local banks inside of this journey. And with that being said, when I say local banks, that usually means on a more international scale, okay? Because some countries don't really have humongous banks, they have more local banks and stuff like that, right? This document highlights Ripple's efforts to help smaller banks by offering faster and more effective payment solutions through Ripple payments. We already know how fast and how reliable XRP network currently is. So yeah, little more I need to say about that. And also, guys, with the B2B payment market, it's expected to actually reach 174 trillion by 2030. That's trillion, that's not billion. Okay, so if Ripple even has like a 5% or an even 1% market share of this, that's absolutely huge for XRP in terms of gains right now. Okay, moving on to the next article, guys. Ripple news: major partnerships in Japan and South Korea. Okay, so there's a new partnership that Ripple have just done with Futureverse. Okay, Futureverse is an AI metaverse tech company that provides asset custody through Ripple custody, essentially. And this is essentially Futureverse will be leveraging the XRP ledger, NFT standard, and integrating XRP as the gas token on the Root network. Okay, so they're going to be essentially using XRP as the gas token, as the fees for transactions on their network itself, right? So that's pretty bullish. Going to be essentially more adoption for XRP overall, which is another bullish sign there. Now, moving on to the next one, XRP price surge imminent. Key metrics reveal bullish potential. Okay, now the bullish signals that we are seeing for XRP is mentioned in this article, and the current data includes a descending trendline breakout, a bullish divergence, token inflow and exchanges, exchange reserves and price action, and indicates a bullish outlook for XRP despite the bearish market sentiment. Okay, and this is just a little bit of on-chain data for you regarding XRP, and you can see XRP's on-chain metrics support this bullish outlook. CryptoQuant's XRP exchange inflow is currently at its lowest level, guys. currently at its lowest level. This indicates that there is a strong potential buying opportunity for XRP right now. That's enough of the news on XRP. Hopefully you got some insight there as to what is happening throughout the space. But let's jump into the chart and let's look at this from a technical analysis perspective, get some sort of price predictions, and then we can look at some bull market targets here for the next 6 to 12 months. Super interesting stuff there. So yeah, looking at just XRP on the macro, on the daily right now, you can obviously see that we are experiencing this falling wedge scenario, guys. A falling wedge scenario usually consists of hold on, let me just get rid of this disgusting indicator. There we go. You can see falling wedge scenario usually consists of a descending trend line, as you can see here, and again another descending trend line, sort of in the same stance. This is basically a falling wedge, and what this usually means is a potential breakout to the upside. This is quite bullish, okay, and the fact that we've got the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement hidden in there as well is another great sign for a trade to the upside. So the trade that I'm looking out for here for XRP now, yes, we could potentially come down on the short term, okay? The market sentiment is bearish, everyone is fearful right now, but so I wouldn't be surprised if we did see us come down, test a trend line around this area. That would be around a 51 cent there for XRP, and then after that see a bit more of a price surge to the upside. What I'm really looking for here, and what I've really got my eye on, is this pocket, guys. There's a pocket of space and a pocket of profit. I like that, between this area. This is going to be the breakout from this falling wedge. It's going to be the breakout from the Fibonacci, and also it's going to be basically a breakout from this lovely level of support as well as the Fibonacci, which lines up pretty goddamn perfectly if you don't mind me saying, okay. And the measure move for this move, well, for the measure move for the falling wedge, is actually a lot higher than this profit pocket that we're talking about there. You can see it would actually be bringing us up to this level here, which would be the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. Are we going to go all the way with that? Probably not. It's quite unlikely that XRP is going to explode and see a 54% move in September with this current market sentiment looking pretty rough. So I probably wouldn't expect that straight off the bat here. But what I would expect here, if this is going to happen, I don't think it's going to be like it in September. I think it will be October, this sort of area, and November, because usually alt season after the Bitcoin halving kicks off towards the end of October. So if this is going to happen, guys, it will be November, December, January, that sort of time period. And that does predict a 50% move here for XRP, which is super, super bullish. What I'm really looking for, though, is more of a 23, 24% move. I think that's a lot more realistic. And every time that you see that we have broken this area to the upside here, we actually see quite a nice bit of a price movement to the upside, okay? Now, in terms of blindly going for 24%, not very smart, okay? You want to be staggering your TPs. You know, if you are familiar with the channel, you know how we trade here, and it's the safest way. What you do, you stagger your take profits throughout your whole position, and you're banking profit all the way along. And essentially, once you hit your first take profit, what do? You put your stop loss to entry, and then you're in a risk-free trade, and you just ride this bad boy all the way up to the top. The risk-free position, you can't be happier, right? It's super, super easy to be in a risk-free trade and just chill, okay? So yeah, that is going to be the T8 for XRP. Let me know what you think in the comment section of the video. Drop a little like if you could. And we are back now. We're back on the channel. I was on holiday for a little bit, but yeah, we're back now doing continuous updates. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section again. And if you are new to the channel, drop a sub and notification bell on, and you're never going to miss one of the uploads here on Crypto Chester. That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.